Good morning. In today's class, we will learn about all-pair shortest path. So, Floyd-Warshall's algorithm is a famous algorithm. It is used to solve all-pair shortest path problem. It computes the shortest path between every pair of vertices of the given graph. Floyd-Warshall's algorithm is an example of dynamic programming approach. It has advantages. It is extremely simple and easy to implement. And the algorithm goes like this. Let G is equal to VE be a directed graph where V is the set of vertices and N number of vertices and E is the set of edges. Let cost be the cost adjacency matrix for the graph G such that cost ij is equal to 0 for 0 less than equal to I less than equal to n. Cost ij is the cost associated with the edge ij if there is an edge from I to j, and cost ij is equal to infinity if there is no edge from I to j. The all-pair shortest path algorithm is to determine a matrix A such that A of ij contains the shortest distance from I to j. Here in the adjacency matrix, we are, if there is a path between the vertex I to vertex j, we are adding the cost of the vertex into the adjacency matrix, and the d of ij is equal to min of a of ij is equal to min of a of ij comma a of ik plus a of kj. This is the Floyd's algorithm, which is used to compute the shortest path. So here, create a V cross V matrix. It represents the distance between every pair of vertices as given. For each cell ij in M, do if I is equal to j, M of ij is equal to 0 for all diagonal elements value is equal to 0. That is, we are going to put actual cost associated with the edge in the matrix. If there is no edge between a pair, make the entry of it as infinity, and finally make the diagonal items equal to 0. The resultant matrix is input to the Floyd's algorithm, and Mij is equal to weight of ij if there exists a direct edge between the vertices. Value is nothing but weight of edge. Else you are including infinity if there is no direct edge between the vertices. And then you are computing if m of ij greater than m of ik plus m of kj, m of ij is equal to m of ik plus m of kj. This is the actual Floyd's algorithm, and we will take up an example and show you how this algorithm is implemented in the future class. And the time complexity of the Floyd-Warshall's algorithm consists of 3 loops over all the nodes. The innermost loop consists of only constant complexity operations. Hence, the asymptotic complexity of Floyd-Warshall's algorithm is big O of n cube, where n is the number of nodes in the given graph. When Floyd-Warshall's algorithm is used, that is, the Floyd and Warshall's algorithm is best suited for dense graph. This is because its complexity depends only on the number of vertices in the given graph. For sparse matrix, Johnson's algorithm is more suitable. And how this all-pair shortest path algorithm is implemented, we will see now. In the all-pair shortest path problem, we are supposed to find the shortest path between every pair of vertices in a directed graph G. That is, for every pair of vertices I comma G, we have to find the shortest path from I to J as well as one from J to I. These two paths are the same when G is undirected. The all pair shortest path problem is to determine a matrix A such that A of ij is the length of the shortest path from I to j. The matrix A can be obtained by solving single source problem using the algorithm shortest paths. Since the application of procedure requires big O of n square time, the matrix A can be obtained in big O n cube time. The shortest path I to j in G, if I not equal to j, originates at vertex I and goes through some intermediate vertex and terminates at vertex G. If k is an intermediate vertex on this shortest path, then subgraph from I to k and from k to j must be shortest paths from I to k and k to j respectively. Otherwise, the I to j path is not of minimum length, so the principle of optimality holds. Let A, K, I, J represent the length of the shortest path from I to j going through no vertex of index greater than k. We obtain A, K, I, J is equal to min of A of k minus 1 comma I to k plus A of k minus 1 k to j comma C of I, J.